I am so excited to show you today's recipe because it is kid friendly, kids will love it, but it's flavorful enough that adults will love it too. Now these are oven baked chicken tenders. You don't need to deep fry anything, no oily fingers here, but you get that great crunch and I'm going to show you how to get that in a second. Hey guys, I'm Nick and on this episode of the Scran Line we're going to be making deliciously crisp oven baked chicken tenders. These are really easy to make, so let's get stuck into it. Let's begin with the panko breadcrumbs. This is a Japanese style breadcrumb. You're going to pop it on a baking tray, spray it with some oil, and it's going to go in the oven until it's beautifully golden. Let it cool and then pop it into a bowl along with some parmesan cheese. It's going to add some beautifully salty flavor to our crumbing. Set that aside. Let's move on to the chicken. Today I'm using chicken breast, but you can use tenders if you like. I'm just going to slice these in half and then slice them into tender sized pieces. Add those to a bowl along with some egg, flour, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some parsley and salt. I forgot to add it in there. Give this a mix. Now doing this way is going to save you time because traditionally you'd be dipping this in egg and then dipping it in flour and then the breadcrumbs, but we're just making this sticky substance on the chicken. Then we're going to pop this into that breadcrumb mixture and coat the chicken, pop it onto a baking tray. Once you've coated all your chicken tenders, you're going to spray these with oil before you pop them in the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. That's all it takes. Make sure that you reach that safe internal chicken temperature of 73 degrees Celsius and you're good to go. Now, these are ready to go right now as they are. You can serve them with a salad. I have some great salad recipes on thescranline.com, but I want to show you a really delicious honey dipping sauce, which is my favorite thing to serve these with. Really easy to make. I have a great 2-minute mayonnaise recipe on thescranline.com, but you can use store-bought mayonnaise to make this. It's as simple as adding that to a bowl along with some honey. I use English mustard, but pretty much any mustard will work. I just like how yellow the English mustard makes this sauce. Mix that up and serve it, guys. It is incredibly delicious. These are just as crispy as the fried version, not oily, a little bit healthier, I'd say, and they're kid friendly because they're not overly spiced, but they're spiced and flavored enough for adults to love them, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like an all-round family favorite. The recipe for these is on the website scranline.com. I've left a link in the box down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have to rush off to pick Zoe up from daycare. Have a lovely day. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.